Ever thought about how to carve out spots for hinges and striker plates on a door? Well, I got you covered in this video. It's actually super easy. First off, grab yourself a mortising jig. I'm using the Hingemate 3000 in this video, which cost me around 30 bucks at Home Depot. You'll also need a router. I'm rocking the Milwaukee M18 router here. Just follow the instructions that come with the mortising, set to find the right template for your project. Pop that template on your door. Adjust your router bit depth and start routing away. Easy peasy. If you are a professional remodeler or a do-it-yourself homeowner, I think you can benefit and learn from our page. If you're interested in learning more, please comment. Like and subscribe. That stuff really help our page grow.